Hello everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to make the pepper lunch, the garlic pepper lunch. So first is thinly sliced beef, the mix, soy sauce mix with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of pepper, of course, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. So, medyo ano siya, tamis. And then, we have green onions, and of course this one, and we're gonna need the corn kernels here. So dili ko kabalo mag-open o kuan. They have the can opener here, pero Pinoy style pa. So I grew up doing this. Mag-open of can through knife. Since wala man zero para mag-judge ako. Dali. Wala na ito water. Tagalan natin siya water. And then, I think it's init na. I think the pan is init already. So, also, butter. We need butter and of course, rice. Nasa instruction, i-soak daw sa hot water ang corn. So, I'm gonna soak it in hot water. Ibukay ko magluto. So, naamaya automatic hot water something faucet si Rob. So, nasok na po siya. So, we're ready to cook the beef and the onions. So, guys, and then, so medium heat siya, mga medium heat. And then we're gonna put the beef next. So it's, I don't know, half kilo of beef. So para na tayo leftover. So ginadagahan ako. So, next is the beef. You're gonna need garlic powder to add to the flavor. We're gonna then stir. Hello guys, so luto na itong beef pepper lunch. So, garnish, and then we put butter in the rice. So, dinner's ready. It's only 30 minutes of preparation. How do you like my beef pepper?
Happy.
Huh?
Happy.
Dance, babe.
Rice again.